Hey, I'm Rachel Ngom from She's Making an Impact.com, and today we're going to share a little story. Something really big happened this month, and I'm a little nervous to talk about it, but here we go. So I started this business, She's Making an Impact, in August of last year, and when I set my goals for 2018, I set them big. I set them really big, like afraid to tell anyone about it, not sure how it's going to happen, kind of makes me want to throw up big. And I said that this year in 2018, I wanted to make $250,000, which is 10 times more than I made in 2013. And it's a brand new business, less than a year old, right? Well, September of 2018, we actually hit that goal 3 months early, which is crazy. So please understand that my intent with you is not, when I share this with you, it's not to brag. It's a lot easier to keep this kind of things to myself, but it's to show you that when you set those really big freaking goals, you show up and you make them happen. If your goals don't make you want to throw up just a little bit, they're probably not big enough. And also, the more money you make, the bigger of an impact you have. So my hubby and I, we're talking about forming a nonprofit, and we've been able to donate more than I ever thought was possible. So dream big, know that you can do anything that you set your mind to, and remember that the best is yet to come. I would love to know what your big, hairy, scary goal is. So send me a message on Instagram at She's Making an Impact and let me know what it is. I'll talk to you later.